It is time to do my first bake with this new microstarter, but first I will need to build the Levain, the thing that will substitute my usual starter. So I am ready. My first task is to smell and see how my microstarter is holding. I think that it looks very nice. It smells a little bit sweet, not too sour. Actually, I fed this day, so 24 hours ago, no, 48 hours ago. And for my new feeding, I will build the Levain. So I have my jar where I will build the Levain. I have some tap water in a squeezy bottle because it's easier for me to measure, as you know. I have some spoons, I have the 2 scales, and of course, I have my coffee because, let's face it, it's Friday at 11:30, and I am still not waking up. For this particular bake, I will need 120 grams of Levain. So I will build it in a way that will help me achieve my results faster because I don't have that much time. I will need to bake tomorrow and I need to make my dough today. So first I will add 25 grams of all-purpose flour and 25 grams of whole wheat flour to the jar, and then I will add 50 grams of water, and then I will add the 20 grams that I have here of my microstarter, which is a very, very big ratio. So it's a little bit closer to 1 to 2 to 2. So I have 1 part starter to 2 parts of water and 2 parts of flour, which will help me achieve the Levain and an active Levain very quickly. But this is something that I will not advise you to do, especially if you have the time. But since I'm in a hurry, I will do it like this. And I will feed my starter, my microstarter, again with 10 grams of flour and 10 grams of water. And I will wait for it to go on the rise, and then I will put it in the fridge. And we can see later on what's going to happen with the bread. It's time to add the starter, and if you wet your spoon, it will be easier. So I have 16 18.6 grams will be mixed, and of course there is no way that I cannot make and I will not make a mess. So mixing very well. I really want no dry flour left in my Levain because I don't have the time to wait for it to hydrate. So I will do my best to hydrate everything. And hopefully this will rise quickly. I just popped out to grab a rubber band, and I will put the rubber band right where my starter is right now. And I will close the lid and I will let it sit here. In the meantime, I will feed my starter with, as you know, 5 grams of whole wheat and another 5 of all-purpose. Now I will add the water and I'll start mixing. And after a quick cleanup, because I messed up, of course, I will cover and let the starter relax together with my Levain. And hopefully we can make nice bread with this. I will finish my coffee and I will show you the result after our Levain is already active and when I can build my bread with it. It has been about 6 hours since I fed my starter. It's 5 o'clock. I fed it at 11:20, 11:30. This is how my microstarter looks. It's kind of hard to see how much it has risen because the jar is not very clean. I have to clean it up when I next feed this little thing. And this is my Levain, which has doubled in volume. That's why I put it in this jar. So I will take this home and I will bake my first bread with this Levain, and I will report what the result is. I'm crossing my fingers, cross yours, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. See you.